Imagine waking up one morning to find your entire profession, your skills, your training, and your identity rendered worthless overnight. This has happened throughout history, leaving millions standing in the rubble of their careers, wondering how they never saw it coming. Today, we're talking about 5 jobs that became absolutely worthless during historic economic collapses. First, we go to Weimar Germany in the 1920s. Hyperinflation was so fierce that prices doubled every few hours. Professional currency counters were the busiest but most useless workers. They raced to count banknotes that lost value as they touched them. When the new Rentenmark arrived in 1923, the entire infrastructure of counters and sorters became redundant in a single day. Next, the Soviet Union's collapse in 1991 wiped out a profession unique to command economies: the state price setter. Hundreds of thousands of specialists manually calculated the official government price for every single good in the country. When prices were liberalized overnight, their scientific management became not just unnecessary, but philosophically impossible. In Zimbabwe, between 2007 and 2009, inflation reached a staggering 79 billion%. State exchange rate monitors were employed to track official rates that had no relationship to reality on the street. When the country officially abandoned its currency for foreign cash in 2009, those workers' skills had zero application left. Argentina's 2001 collapse targeted peso-dollar parity specialists who managed a decade-long fixed currency peg. When the peg broke and the peso devalued, every financial product and contract built on that assumption was instantly ruined. These specialists found themselves holding a useless toolkit. Their lifelong expertise was now actively misleading. Finally, in Venezuela, the government employed thousands of price control enforcement agents with genuine authority. As hyperinflation hit 1 million%, stores emptied and the economy went underground, making their official roles meaningless. They were left enforcing rules on an economy that no longer functioned in any way those rules were designed to govern. The common thread: none of these workers were lazy or unprepared. They were simply tied to fragile systems. When those systems broke, they took careers and identities down with them. It's a haunting reminder of how fast the world can change.